Welcome to our comprehensive guide for beginners on your first steps with Gluco Fence. Gluco Fence is a lifesaver device for all diabetics that many have adopted to monitor and control their blood sugar levels. Let's start from the very beginning. As you unbox your Gluco Fence, inside you'll find a device, along with a user manual containing all necessary details, and a set of test strips and lancets. Setting up the Gluco Fence is simple and straightforward. Just follow along with the user manual. Make sure to input the correct time and date first. Remember, incorrect time can lead to incorrect tracking of your blood sugar cycle. To test your blood sugar, start by washing and drying your hands. Insert a test strip into the Gluco Fence, use a lancet to prick your finger and apply the blood to the strip. Then just wait for a few seconds for the results. The Gluco Fence not only provides immediate readings but also allows you to monitor your blood sugar levels over time. By understanding these patterns, you can make changes to your diet, exercise, and medication to better manage your diabetes. As you can see, Gluco Fence is easy to use and much needed device for managing your diabetes. Empower yourself with this tool and live a healthier, happier life.